Hello tree lovers, I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com, and one more time we're on the Hillsboro River, and we just want to show you what you can do with royal palms if you're on a proper body of water. Royal palms freeze. We are in Polk County, and I have watched royal palms all my life, and for years and years and years we never saw one that was alive. And that was because when we would see one, eventually the freeze would kill it. So here we are on a good body of water, and there's water all over Central Florida. Water produces warm air, so if you're on the water and you want to plant a palm tree that freezes, there's a good possibility you can get away with it. We know the ins and outs of all this, and what you need to do is call us and we'll make it happen for you.